Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'm going to show you how to boost your Instagram engagement in 5 easy steps. First, it's important to have a clear Instagram strategy. Identify your niche and stick to it. That way your audience knows exactly what to expect and will engage with your content more. Second, post consistently. Aim for at least 3 to 5 posts per week at optimal times when your audience is most active. This helps keep your content top of mind for your followers. Third, engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages and like and comment on their posts too. Building a relationship with your followers helps build loyalty and encourages them to engage with your content more. Fourth, use relevant hashtags. Research popular hashtags in your niche and use them in your posts. This will increase the visibility of your posts and attract new followers. Finally, use Instagram stories. This feature allows you to showcase more personal, behind-the-scenes content that your audience will love. Use features like polls, stickers, and swipe up links to encourage engagement. That's it. Follow these 5 simple steps and watch your Instagram engagement soar. Thank you for watching. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.